everyone, I'm Christine from Sacred Sounds Australia, and we are at day 12. Day 12 of our preparation for the Lionsgate portal. So today I'm going to talk to you about courage, which is something that I have always been passionate about. And today I'm literally going to give you permission to take the opportunity to take courage. And courage is not really something that you develop. It's something that I believe is innate, like your superpower. And when you need it, in times when bravery is needed or confidence, then you can take it. Almost like if you had a sword or a tool, or a storehouse of something. So I want you to think of courage like that. So today, my encouragement to you is that you take courage, and I'm going to play a lot of grounding notes during our guided meditation, but also some really empowering notes. And we're going to be focusing on your grounding, your self-expression, your light, like truly coming to the place where you can have your inner light be ignited and fully expressed. And often that takes a lot of courage to do that. You may have to come through a whole lot of stagnant thoughts and beliefs and behaviors and really break through to embrace your light and to embrace expressing your light. So it is all going to be not just about letting your light shine, but taking the courage from deep within you to do that. And then being that, expressing that light. So it's definitely, I'm going to use the throat bowl for that expression of your identity really is at the heart and center of who you are. And the solar plexus bowl definitely will attune your energy and bring a lot of balance so that you can be the true authentic expression of who you are. So I'm looking forward to seeing you in the guided meditation, and make sure that you're ready for this. And this is a very exciting journey to be on, and a very important part to understand that people that you look at, you're like, wow, they have a lot of courage. Oh my gosh, they have a lot of confidence. I don't have that. You do have that. It is innate. It is in you. The thing is that other people don't allow their fears to hold them back. And most courageous people that you see do also have fears, but they face them and they do it scared anyway. So I know I had a lot of people that looked up to me at a certain point, and I was doing a lot of public speaking, and they're like, oh my gosh, I could never do that. I don't know how you do that. And the truth is that I did it afraid. And that is just the best way to explain how to harness that confidence and courage to just put yourself out there, exactly like I'm doing now. You just have to stop worrying about what other people think about you and those fears that hold you back, and go, well, I'm scared, but today I'm going to take courage and I'm going to do it anyway. And that is essentially the heart and essence of the Lionsgate portal, to have that bravery and that courage to rise up, face your fears and express them anyway. So a couple of those essential oils are exactly the essential oils that we spoke about in the abundance and gratitude. So it is very much a solar plexus journey. And clove is a very cleansing oil for, getting out all that stuck energy, bitterness, resentment, patterns and ways that you've done things in the past, things that are related to your fear. So that is something that you can use. And then the orange essential oil just gives you an optimistic boost, gives you a fresh perspective and look at things. It creates a positive environment for you to actually get over some of those fears of the past. So I highly recommend those. I have a beautiful heart here, red jasper, my little heart of courage, but it's also grounding energy. It is also creative energy, get that new expression. It's about your sacred space and the expression of your sacred service. That all requires a lot of courage and confidence. And again, my citrine to just give me those positive vibes, the magnetism, the opportunity for my energy to radiate out. And that in itself will light your soul on fire. And when you have this light energy coming, then that enables you to see through the dark stuff. So be encouraged today, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the guided meditation. Bye for now.